Sonible's Smart Gate is a content-aware gate that detects a specific target source. This can be really helpful when cleaning up drum recordings with unwanted bleed, or when working on drum loops. Instead of spending hours cutting each drum hit by hand, you can use Smart Gate's intelligent gating and be finished in no time. Let me show you how. I have the following drum loop and want to separate the kick from the snare so that I can then process them independently. As both signals are at approximately the same level, it's impossible to use a conventional gate here. I will choose kick as my target source. Once this profile has been selected, Smart Gate only hears my target signal. You can see and hear the green activity function, reacting only to each kick hit while ignoring all the other signal components. For this example, I will lower the threshold to get the full kick sound. I can influence the activity function by tweaking the level bias, which controls how much the activity function is influenced by the overall signal level. A higher setting usually works well for very dynamic signals like drums. The gate's opening and closing is reflected in the gating function. Now that I have isolated my kick, I can apply additional effects such as saturation without them being affected by any bleed or background noise. Next, I will let Smart Gate focus on my snare. I select the snare profile and adjust the activity threshold. For a more natural snare sound, I'll increase the release time a bit. I can also use the impact sliders to shape the gating across 3 frequency bands. To reduce the clanging sound of my snare, I'll increase the suppression above 1 kHz.